Hello guys. So we are going to learn today how to bind your RoyalQ robot with your Binance account. So come to this RoyalQ's homepage, and on the top you see an icon API binding here. Okay. On the top you see here, API binding. Click on this API binding. Now click on Binance. Now in the middle of the screen you see a yellow color copy. Okay. You need to click on this copy. Okay. So it will copy the address. Now we need to go to Binance application. Go to Binance, and you see in the middle of the screen, you see here an icon called More. Click on this More and scroll it down to the bottom, where in this third last icon, you will see API management. On the bottom of the screen, the third last icon, API management here. Okay, now click on API management. Now, where you see it is written create API, here you type in the name of the API, which is RoyalQ. Okay, create the API, name it RoyalQ. After typing the name, click on create API. Binance will ask you to get two codes. Click on this get code, both the get codes. It will throw you two codes, one on your email and one on your phone. So you need to enter both of these codes. After clicking this, you need to enter both the codes here. So it's here 054 77777. And the email one, let me check my mail. So it's 181302. Now click submit. Okay, now you see this, you need to take a screenshot of this QR code first. First of all, you need to take a screenshot of this. Okay. Yeah, I have taken it. Now, in the middle of the screen, in yellow, you see edit restrictions. Okay, click on this edit restrictions. And you see there is API restrictions here where it is written enable reading. So it is already enabled. You need to enable spot and margin trading. Click on that, check on that enable spot and margin trading, and go below, and you see the last point is restrict access to trusted IPs only. Click that point. Check. Click a check here on restrict access to trusted IPs. Okay. When I click that, there is a box wherein I can paste something or write something. So you remember we have copied something from RoyalQ. Paste it here. Yes. Here. So now click on confirm. Okay, as soon as you click confirm, yeah, the IPs have been added. So go on top and click save. Save. Yeah, after save, it will ask you to enter the code. Click on get code. It will send you a code on your phone. Okay. So it is 261002. So 261002. So that's all. So we are done with Binance. We have nothing to do in Binance now. Let's go to RoyalQ now. Yeah. Now on the API key, okay, we need to get the code that we have created on Binance. We need to get those codes here on API key. For that, you need do you see a square button, which is a scan button on API key? Please just click on that button. Square, which is scan button. Click on that. Okay. Now on the top, you see photo album. So you need to take this camera to your gallery, and you need to click on the code that you have just taken the screenshot of. Okay, so it is the first picture. I'll click on that picture. It will automatically, as soon as I click that, it will automatically populate the API key and the secret key here. Okay, as you see. Now it's done. Click on send code now. Oh, sorry. Click on send now. Okay. You see here send. Yeah. Click this send. It will send you a code on your email, on the email with which you registered on RoyalQ. Okay. Just go and check your email and enter the code here. And you need to click on I have read the risk notice carefully. And then, yeah. Now we'll click on I have read the risk carefully. And click bind. Yeah. So as we click on bind, the Binance will turn orange. So that means we have bound the RoyalQ robot with our Binance. Okay.